Students, in this video we are going to discuss the exercises of the lesson The Enchanted Shirt. So let's start. Read to understand, answer these questions with reference to the context. Then the king realizes his useless life and his sickness hatched in gloom. What cure was prescribed for the king's sickness? The king was advised to sleep in the shirt of a happy man in order to cure his sickness. How did the king realize his mistake? The poor man's tattered shirt and his refusal to take any money for it made the king realize that his disease was simply his discontentment. It was this realization that made him understand the purpose of his life, making him a king and a good king. What did the king do to make his life useful? The king became kind and open-hearted and worked to make his kingdom better and people happier. Match the statements in column A with those in column B. The king showed no sign of illness. So number 1 will match with E. He had seen a dream in which 3 doctors had given up hope of his recovery. The king showed no sign of illness. Number 1 will match with number D, and it will be he slept soundly and snored, had bright eyes, a clear skin and a hearty appetite. This will be the answer. The king sat up screaming from his sleep. 2 will match with E. He had seen a dream in which 3 doctors had given up hope of his recovery. Doctor truly had displeased the king. 3 will match with A. He had proclaimed the king was as healthy as a fattened yearling and as fit as a fiddle. Dr. Sharp was indeed sharp and a crook. 4 will match with B. He had prescribed the king should sleep 3 nights in a happy man's shirt. The search for the happy man ended. 5 will match with C. But the happy man's shirt was tattered and filthy. Let's move to question and answer. So this is the another exercise, that is exercise C. What were the diagnoses provided by the 3 rogue physicians? The 3 rogue physicians had diagnosed the king with cholera, tuberculosis, and a rare disease called out of mental focus. Question number 2. The king did cartwheels on the bed. What does this tell us about the state of his health? The king did cartwheels on the bed, which tells us that he was in perfectly good health, but was just imagining that he was sick. What task was assigned to Ralph by the king? The king had assigned Ralph the task of finding doctors to cure his disease. What did Dr. Sharp claim to be? What all did he do before reaching his diagnosis? Dr. Sharp claimed to be no ordinary physician. He said that his specialization was strange, incurable diseases like the king seemed to be suffering from. Prior to reaching his diagnosis, Dr. Sharp looked long into the king's right eye, then the left, and turned the king's head in every direction possible to examine. He then picked the king's finger for a sample of blood. Okay, he then pricked the king's finger for the sample of blood. for the sample of blood. So you have to describe the whole incident, that how Dr. Sharp, how he examined the king. So you know how he examined the king. He examined the king. He looked first into his right eye, then the left eye. Then he also pricked his finger for the sample of blood. Okay, so you have to describe the whole incident. Why was the vagabond amused? The vagabond was amused because the king's men were ready to pay him 1,000 gold coins for his tattered, filthy fragment of a shirt. So students, with this we have completed question and answer of the enchanted shirt. At the end of your lesson, okay, all the difficult words are given. So you need to write these words and their meanings in your fair copy. And after that you need to complete your exercises. We have discussed question and answer. Thanks for watching.